Calm yourself, youth.
You reach no man care bad man and you come tell me about calm self, eh?
Hear me say, youth. Calm yourself.
I go on your back for me, brethren.
Me? You see me back gun for you? Hear me, I say, brother. I know you not like me. Because what? Me and Janice are linked now. But remember say, after you and Janice break up, you and I start linked.
Bad man. I'm a business boy here and Janice, so I don't know why you tell me that for, you know.
Me not like how y'all look on me. Plus me is a very paranoid man. Plus me hear say you're your taxi friend them. I talk about how me is a scammer.
Yo, come out of my car, you know. I really have to go shoot me. That me I tell a bad man.
Yo, you did already have your chance with Janice and you mess it up. So nobody come go with no tough face and no big chat. Cause right now, it now gonna look pretty. This is two big man fight over woman.
Yo, you don't talk. I know say you and Janice there now, me and I left a long time, you know. But I still love her. But one thing me I make you know. You see, if you ever style her, you're gonna get a visit from me. Make sure you remember that.
Well, based on when me here, you hurt her enough for the two away. Big up yourself, taxi youth. I'm going to tell you this. I want you to drop the scamming talk.
How you going, man, brother, my lad?
What? You're not sorry, you're not fall.
Like your energy still in a Nikki. I mean now so we can't hold our vibes in about this right now. We just want to take things slow, you see me?
Yeah man, I understand. But just know say you're my personal taxi man now.
I like how that sounds still.
Good afternoon.
Hey, Janice.
Who is this?
dollars.
Rory, listen. It don't matter how much time you call or what number you use and call me. I'm not interested in speaking to you, okay?
Janice, just listen to me now and hear me out.
I do not want to speak to you.
Why?
I do not want to speak to you. You know what you did.
Janice, just hear me out and listen to what I have to say.
Bye-bye.
Janice,
Bye.
Janice, just, Janice.
I never did warn you.
Mommy, no man, don't do that. That don't look good.
Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. You luck here. Count to that, you lucky there, girl. When I done yet.
Mommy, you alright? Huh? I'm helpful.
Bye.